Yeah guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing something for the home, and this is the Cisno True HEPA Filter Air Purifier. So stick around. Okay, so what struck me immediately about this air purifier was the aesthetics. From a design standpoint alone, this thing is beautiful, looks like something out of Disney's WALL-E, and it would blend in with any home's decor. Now, fun story for you, I actually have a larger air purifier down here in the basement from Honeywell. Somewhat of an eyesore, so we just leave it down here to combat our mold and dust problem we have down here. But I want something for one of my smaller rooms upstairs. So this indeed has 3 stages of cleaning. You have your pre-filter, your true HEPA filter, and then of course your activated carbon filter. And all 3 of these combined will remove 99.97% of allergens, dust, mold spores, etc. So the fact that it looks great as well is an added bonus. So let's get into the unboxing. So the unboxing, you're greeted with the instruction manual and the impressive 36-month warranty card. And digging a bit further, you'll see the air purifier itself and a quick start guide stuck right up top. Grabbing that out of the box is easy, and you'll find the power cord. Taking a closer look at the quick start guide, you'll see you'll just need to unbag the included filter, place it inside the unit, and you do that by turning the entire thing upside down, unscrewing the cap, and placing it right inside with the easy access fabric handles. I will mention that this is advertised as a true Super HEPA 3 filter, which will get rid of 99% of seasonal allergens, pet dander, smoke, odor, mold spores, and it will filter particles as small as 0.3 microns and larger. In addition to that, it also filters air pollution, etc., etc. All in all, the installation process is quite simple and intuitive. From there, it's just a matter of finding a place for it and plugging it into the wall. I've chosen this corner in my upstairs den, next to the ugly paper shredder and a bunch of DVDs I'll never watch. At the top, you have access to all of your buttons, and this unit does have 3 levels of cleaning. So the pre-filter will capture large airborne particles, including dust. Then you have your true HEPA filter in stage 2, and that's going to capture your dust mites, your pollen, things of that nature. And then stage 3, you have your activated carbon filter, which is going to remove contaminants, impurities, and harmful organic compounds. Now it also has 2 lighting modes, so you can enjoy breathing clean air at night with a comfortable blue nightlight surrounding your room. Fan noise overall is quite low, with the lowest speed hitting around 26 decibels and the high hovering somewhere around 42 decibels. Now compared to a larger air purifier, this is quite low in terms of sound output. Okay, so that about wraps this one up. As you can tell, this is a beautifully designed option if you're looking to improve your airflow at home or at work. Again, this is for a smaller room, so this isn't going to filter out your entire house, but for a bedroom, a den, something like that, this is great. And as always, I'll have a product link. I've seen other YouTubers do this down in the description, so if you want to check it out for yourself, the link is there. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.